Okay, this is the updated video on how to create a drawing from your bracket. This bracket that we created was created in millimeters, so we have to create our drawing also in millimeters. Here's how you do it. Go up to Application menu. From here, we're going to click New, and make sure Metric is highlighted here, and then these are all part files, these are assembly files, and these all are drawing files. We get into presentation, but we want drawing files. We did it in millimeters, so this is the drawing that we want, ANSI with millimeters in parentheses .dwg. Double click that. That's what we want. From here, we are going to change this information right here. Okay, so we're going to go up here to the application menu again, go to iProperties. At iProperties, click on the summary up here, and then title it bracket drawing. And then your name's going to come up without spaces. I like to change it to where it actually looks right. You can put in the subject, you can put DM. All right, push OK. Now this has changed to what it's supposed to be. All right. So now we're going to put our base down. So our base, if I come down here, this does not look like my front view. My front view is, if I come down here to my bottom, this actually is my front view. So I want to click on bottom because this is the view that I want to show. Okay, and I can move this out of the way so I can get it where I want it. Here's my front, here's my right side, here's my top, and here's my isometric view. And then I right click, click Create. And remember, if I want to move any of this, I have to move it the right direction. So if I move my cursor and all of a sudden it changes to that, what my cursor looks like now, I can move this up and down. I can move this one left and right. But if I want to move this one up and down, or if I want to move this one left to right, I have to do it with this one. So I can do that here. All right. So once you've done that, we're going to go up to the Annotate in the ribbon tabs. I click on Annotate, and then we're going to dimension. Here's where you're going to dimension everything. So I want to dimension from this line to this line. Pull that out and say OK. And notice it is in millimeters. That 27, if you remember correctly, was the distance of that extrusion that we did. All right. So if we want to do this circle, just come out, just click it when it turns red. And now I do the inside and outside of that circle. Also, if I want the depth of the, highlight it here, you could get the depths of both of those, the counter bore hole. All right. I am not doing all of the dimensions that you need to do. You will need to do all of the dimensions that you would need to put on here for someone to replicate this bracket. So do the dimensions. When I'm done with all of the dimensions, I'm going to go to the application menu, I'll go down to print. Make sure that you click best fit. All right, and when you hit this drop down, you want to click on Ecosys and then click OK, and it will print. Only print once, please, because sometimes it will not print quickly and you will need to make sure that you print again. All right.